Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your iPhone is battery draining fast. So I'm going to show you how you can fix your iPhone bad battery life in iOS 16. So guys, if you want to save your iPhone battery and if it's draining fast, then I'm going to show you some ways to fix this problem. So let's get start the video. So before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step is, guys, make sure that you turn off the location services. To do that, go to your iPhone setting, click on privacy and security, click on location services and simply turn it off. Turn off. Now close this. Now guys, remove the unnecessary widgets from the home screen. So guys, if you have added any widgets like this one which you don't need, then simply remove all the widgets from the home screen. Then guys, make sure that you use the dark mode on your iPhone. So guys, if you do like the dark mode, then make sure that you use the dark mode. Then guys, the next step is turn on the background app refresh. To turn it off, click on setting, scroll down, click on general, click on background app refresh, then simply click on turn off. So once you have done this, guys, now adjust the brightness. Make sure that you adjust the brightness and also make sure that you use the night mode so you can turn on the night shift. So once you have done this, guys, now turn on the battery optimized. To do that, go to setting, click on battery, click on battery health and simply optimize battery charging. So once you have turned this on, now also make sure that, guys, you close all these apps that are running on the background. And also, guys, you need to remove the app that you don't need on your iPhone. So guys, like if you have any app that you don't use but it's downloaded, then simply click on edit screen and delete that app. It can help you save your battery. So also make sure that you low power mode on your iPhone. To use the low power mode, click on battery and simply turn on the low power mode. So after all this step, guys, make sure that you restart your iPhone after 1 day or 2 days. It can help you save your iPhone battery. So after doing all this step, guys, also last step is make sure that you turn off the auto download like the software or apps. To do that, go to your iPhone setting. For software, click on general, click on software update. Then simply make sure that you turn off automatic download. And for apps, go to App Store. Then make sure that you turn these off. So hope you guys like this video. If you do, guys, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.